In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. So if Google Chrome is not opening on Windows, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix it. First of all, what you have to do is open the Task Manager. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now simply search for Task Manager. You'll be able to see the result over here. Click on this option, Open. Now after you do that, you can see over here the Task Manager will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for Google Chrome. Once you do that, right click on it. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for End Task. Click on it. Now after you do that, all of the tasks running in Google Chrome will be ended. Now what you can do is simply try opening the Google Chrome. Now once you do that, your problem should be solved and Google Chrome should be opened. But if Google Chrome is still not opening in yours, what you can do is simply try renaming the shortcut. What you have to do is find the shortcut of Google Chrome in desktop. Once you do that, what you have to do is right click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, Open File Location. Once you do that, you can see over here file location will be opened. Right over here, make sure Chrome option is selected. Now what you have to do is right click on it. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, Rename. Now what you can do is simply rename it. Here I'm just going to enter Chrome 2. After you do that, simply click anywhere on the screen. Now you can see over here the Chrome will be renamed. Once you do that, you can again try opening the Google Chrome and it will be opened. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Google Chrome and install it again. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon again. Now what you have to do is simply type in add or remove programs. You'll be able to see the result over here. Click on this option, Open. Now you'll be able to add or remove the program. What you have to do is simply find the application for Google Chrome. If you do not find it, you can also search for it. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on it. After you do that, click on this option, Uninstall, and it will be uninstalled. Right now, I'm not going to uninstall it. After you uninstall the Google Chrome, what you can do is simply install it from Microsoft Edge or any other websites. After you do that, your problem will be fixed and Google Chrome will be opened. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.